Thinking about switching your business from Stripe to Helcim? We're here to make the process as smooth as possible. This step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Let's get started. If you haven't created a Helcim account yet, go ahead and sign up for free. Once your account has been created, explore the dashboard and claim up to $500 worth of processing credit by uploading a statement showing your cancellation costs with your provider. After that, the next thing to do is to find out what you can transfer from Stripe to Helcim. Here's the rundown of items you can migrate. Once you know what you can and can't transfer, it's time to migrate your products. To do that, log into your Stripe account and navigate to your product catalog. Select the products and columns you wish to migrate over, then select Export Prices and Export Products. You'll need both of these CSV files to properly map your products into Helcim's data. Then, name the file stripeproductdownload.csv and stripepricedownload.csv respectively, and then save the files to your computer. Next, you would need to edit Stripe's CSV file to match Helcim's product import template. To do that, download the Helcim product import template from Helcim's Products Import section or from this guide. Next, open both CSV files in one Google Sheet or Excel file. Then clear out the example data on the Helcim import template, but keep the header rows. Then, copy and paste your data from your provider to the Helcim product import template as directed in the guide. Once copied over, delete your old provider's sheet. Then save this as helcimproductimport.csv. Once you have your finalized product CSV file, go to Products and Services on your Helcim dashboard. Select Import, Export, then choose Product Import. Then upload your CSV file, confirm the data, then hit Save. Here are some common hiccups you might run into and how to fix them. Now, let's move on to migrating your customers. Here's how to do it. First, you'd need to export your customer data from Stripe. From your Stripe account, go to Customers. Select all the customers you wish to export data, then choose Export. In the modal, choose All Columns to export all customers' information. This will automatically download a CSV file to your computer. Then, rename the file stripecustomer.download.csv. Next, edit the CSV file to match Helcim's customer import template. To do this, you need to download the CSV template from Helcim's customer import section. Then, open both CSV files in one Google Sheet or Excel file and clear out the example data on the Helcim customer template, but keep the header rows. Then copy and paste your data from your provider to the Helcim product import template, as directed in the guide. Once copied over, delete your old provider's sheet. Then save this as helcimcustomerimport.csv. To import your customer data into Helcim, go to Customers on your Helcim dashboard. Select Import, Export, then choose Customer Import. Upload your CSV file, confirm the data, and then hit Save. Should you want to migrate your credit card on file records, you can also do that, but will require extra steps from your provider. Here's the process. To finish your migration to Helcim, here are a few steps to take care of. And that's it! Now you're ready to switch from Stripe to Helcim and experience a more affordable, seamless payments.